Yo, what up everybody? We back again with another tutorial. Today we are doing a mohawk with a design on one side and a fade on the other. So when starting your designs, you don't want to get too detailed too fast. You want to know where you're going to start, where you're going to finish, and your first round of your design should be kind of like a rough draft. Don't get too detailed, don't go too deep, don't make it too wide. Just make everything very light and small and easy, and then we'll detail it after. Alright, and now we have the whole design in there, so now we're going to go ahead and detail the design, make it stand out a lot more by making some of the lines just a little bit wider. Alright, now that we have the design in there, we're going to go ahead and just lighten up certain areas near the design to make it stand out a little bit more. And just keep in mind, you guys always want to keep a very light touch when you're doing designs. Try to mainly use the corner of your trimmer, but you can use the whole blade if you're doing like a straight line. But very light touch, so that way you don't make your lines too wide too quick. Now we will fade the other side of this mohawk. We're going to start at the bottom with our clipper all the way open, no guard, and we are going to go up about midway and make sure you rotate right around the ear. Next we will put our 0 guard on our clipper all the way closed and going up about 1/4 inch, and we will gradually open up the blade as we go up a little bit. Next we will have our number 1 guard on our clipper all the way closed. Same thing, go up about 1/4 inch and gradually open up our blade slowly as we start to move up. And the final guard we will use is our number 2 guard to blend into the Mohawk. We are going to use mainly the corner of our clipper all the way closed and gradually open up just a tad bit. And then we'll throw our number 1 guard back on our clipper all the way open, using the corner only just to remove any bulk. Alright, and now like I said, we're doing a Mohawk, so you want to go ahead and give that nice V in the back. Make sure both sides come down to a point. Now we're using our straight razor to make sure that this design lasts longer and stands out a lot more. So I'm going to use the corner of our straight razor and just stretch the skin as much as possible and very lightly just follow the lines that we created. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this design and tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.